I'll be showing you how to generate random numbers with Python. To access the functionality to generate random numbers, you need to, at the top of your program, write import random. Now the first function is a very basic random generator, just like in another programming language called C. It will generate a random float value, so any possible number that the computer can store between 0 and 1. This is just called Random.random, and let's set it to a variable. And then down here we'll print it out. When I run it, you can see that it's generating a very, very random looking number between 0 and 1. But what if you want to do something between 1 and 10? Then you can change it to random.randint. That will generate a random integer value between A and B, including A. So let's go between 0 and 10. Now when I run it, it's generating different value. And then lastly, let's do random.choice. Random.choice is a cool one because it allows you to pick a random item from any list. So let's go ahead and define a list up here. And I'll tell random.choice you need to specify the list here. So it's telling it to set A to a random item of my list. Now when I run the program, the Alice, Charlie, Bob, it's printing out, it's doing what's expected. And now for the final exercise, let's write a coin flipping function. Let's open, let's define the function as coin flip, and tell it that it's going to return a string. So it's either going to return heads or tails. And we can set the options to the list of heads or tails. And I can set the result to a random choice of the options. And then I can return the result. This isn't the shortest way to do it. You can actually do this whole function in just one line, but it's easier to expand it into 3 so you can see what it's doing. And then down here, let's set the A variable to the coin flip. So now it's flipping a coin. Now when I run the program, let's see, I'm getting heads, tails, heads. I have a good coin flipper now. So thank you for watching this tutorial on how to generate random numbers with Python.